Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. And on today's show, we're featuring carrots. So what do you have on the menu?
Carrot Vinchy. But I'm serving it with a Bronzino, this beautiful fish here, which I'm going to start right away.
Okay, so we're going to get our carrots ready for the puree.
Great.
So all you have to do is peel your carrot, and then you're just going to place it on a baking tray. You're going to take a little bit of olive oil. What are your thoughts with olive oil and newborn babies? Okay to use?
Yes, perfectly safe to use.
Yeah. When you roast carrots as opposed to steaming them, they taste a little bit stronger, so it's kind of nice for babies to develop their palate. So you're just going to take a little bit of olive oil, and you're going to baste them all the way around and place them in the oven at 350 for about 40 minutes. And what you're going to do is take each carrot and slice them up and place it into the food processor. So chef, where's the fish?
Oh, the fish is in the oven getting ready, swimming. Right now I'm just getting the carrots ready. I cut it this way because they're all even, and so they'll cook nice.
And they're very thin too, so that might be good to have when your child gets a little older and starting to eat solid foods. Yeah. And how long does the Bronzino need to cook for?
I think it should be done 5 minutes or so. We're going to look at it after I put these carrots on. A little bit of dill.
Okay.
And I'm going to put some coconut nectar. It's my sweetener.
How's it going over here?
Oh, great. I'm just filling up the processor.
So we're going to add a little bit of water. And again, it can be lukewarm water or formula if you need it, or breast milk. So now that our puree is done, we're going to take this ice tray and we're going to freeze it later. What is this?
Okay, so this is how I cook the carrots. We see they cover them so they're actually steaming. Okay. I look at the fish now.
Great.
I think we're done.
Okay.
When this fish is cooked with a bone, it's always sweeter when it's cooked like that.
Wow. You're right. It's very sweet. Join us next time on Cooking for Baby and Me.